Okay, currently our district is using Google Calendar to manage our resources. In our case, our resources are our Chromebook and our iPad carts. So actually there's two steps to this process. The first step is to load a resource in your Google Calendar. You'll only need to do this once. The second step I'm going to show you is how to schedule a resource in your Google Calendar. And you will schedule a resource every time you want to sign out a cart. So the first thing you need to do is, I'm using Google Chrome right now. You're going to need to make sure you're logged in to our FRSD.US account before you can launch Google Calendar. So I am logged in here as a bogus user, and the easiest way to get to Calendar is to use our little matrix here. I'm going to click here, and here is my calendar. Okay, so what I'm going to do is first time through, you might need to go through this little intro. I'm going to close out of it. So I'm going to go to Other Calendars. And I'm going to, what I did is I just clicked on this little arrow here. I'm going to browse interesting calendars. Okay, here I am, my interesting calendars. And by the way, there are some interesting calendars here. If you want to scroll down, you can see some things. Maybe not in this particular, this is holidays. But if you go to more, there's some interesting things here. Phases of the moon, star dates, sunrise and sunset. I'm going to go to resources for FRSD.US. Okay, you're going to select your school here. I'm going to open up Robert Hunter, and I'm going to subscribe to any cart that I plan on using on a regular basis. For right now, I'm going to go ahead and subscribe to all of them. Oh, okay, that's done. I'm going to go back to Calendar. Okay, so over here, I now have these calendars added: RH Cart 1, RH Cart 2, RH Cart 3, and the iPad cart. And you'll see in your calendar, everything will pop up. So suppose I want to sign out a calendar for Monday morning I want to sign out a cart Monday morning, let's just say at 7 a.m. I'm just going to click here, and I'm going to put my name and my room number. So the next person that needs the cart is going to know where to get it. They're going to come to my classroom, my computer lab. And I need to edit the event because I need to add the resource. Okay, so here is the name of my event. Here is the date. It gives me an hour, 7 to 8, and you can change that just by clicking over here. I'm going to go ahead and add my resource, add my cart. This says rooms. And this would be if you were going to use a conference room, but in this case, our rooms are really our carts. So I clicked on rooms. Here's all my selections. I'm going to go to Robert Hunter again, and I'm going to decide what cart I want to add. I'm going to add the first cart here. Okay, so basically you're done. You've added Cart 1 as your resource on the 17th of November from 7 to 8 a.m. I need to say save. Now you'll see two occurrences in your calendar sign up. One is your actual calendar, and this is the resource. And if you look over here, it's orange. It matches up to the orange over here. These are purple. This is the iPad cart over here. So I hopefully this helped, and feel free to ask me any questions. Good luck.